Oh, f this shit. Here comes Hepworth. Oh, shit. Man, my grandpa told me that when he was growing up, his dad every day at 5 o'clock would beat him because he knew if he didn't catch him doing anything wrong by then, he already had.
Man, that's like Hepworth. Even if you don't even swear, he just figures you already did and he makes you do push-ups.
It's 25. That's 25. What's up, man? Hey. That's 25. You know what that is?
I don't even know why the f I'm doing these f***ing push-ups. They didn't even say any f***ing swear word.
Hey. Oh. It's 25.
But every f***ing time Hepworth walks the f by, I have to do f***ing push-ups. That sh**.
Bryn, stay away from the trash can.
Wait.
Ben, I know what you're thinking. That's 25. Okay. That's 25. That's 25. That's 25. What the f***? How does he always f***ing know? Jesus Christ. God damn mother.
I hate this shit. Kill him. God, I swear to God, I don't motherfucker. I hope he's smart. I'll kill him, son of a bitch. I'm gonna his I swear to God. Bullshit. Every goddamn time. One. Fucking ass. I should shit out of him. This is fucking gay.
Potty-mouthed sons of bitches.